Transition to clean energy is no longer an option, but a necessity for survival and healthy environment. The island once called tropical paradise is now facing enormous pressure from the expansion of coal power plants. Not only destroying forests and polluting the air, coal-based energy also accelerates the global climate crisis.
Orang yang sudah tinggal bertahun-tahun di sana diusir hanya untuk memastikan batu bara bisa digunakan. Secara tidak langsung kita dijajah hari ini. Merasakan bagaimana masyarakat IPA. Masyarakat hari ini mendapatkan penyakit kulit.
To call Sumatra refuses extinction is a reminder that changes must be made immediately. Clean and just energy is the way out for a safer and more sustainable future. It's time to support policies that favor sustainability, not exploitation.
Setiap warga negara Indonesia itu berhak hidup sehat dan bersih.